Hi there. Today we're unboxing a seriously sleek and powerful little tool, the HDMI splitter. One in, four out. First up, the box itself. It's surprisingly premium, with all the key specs and features printed right on it. Once open, here's what you get inside. The splitter itself, a power adapter, your warranty cards, and a well-designed user manual. Now let's get up close and personal with the contents. Here's a quick look at the warranty cards. Always good to hang on to these. Now, the user manual. I really appreciate the clean design. It's detailed, informative, and gets straight to the point. Next, the power adapter. Compact and clearly built for reliability. And finally, the main event, the HDMI splitter itself. It's wrapped in a high quality plastic, and the moment you take it out, you can feel the quality. This thing is solid. On the front, you'll see a power indicator, a single HDMI input, and four HDMI outputs, clearly labeled and laid out cleanly. On the left and right sides, there are ventilation holes to keep it cool while it works. This unit does not extend displays. It simply mirrors one HDMI input to four identical outputs. Whether you're setting up a home theater, classroom, office, or digital signage, this HDMI splitter is clearly ready for action.